Greetings, Earthlings. Happy Monday. I hope your weekend was good. How you been? That's a genuine question. I would love to know. How have you been? What have you been up to? What did you do this weekend? Did you do anything healthy for yourself? Did you consume some healthy food? I don't know. Talk to me. Welcome to another segment of Food for Thought, where I like to give you mindful bites of mental nourishment. The month is over. It is officially, well, it's been officially, but it's summertime. Have you gone to the beach yet? What are your plans? Today is June 30th, and we are reading out of Acts of Faith. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel all right. And like, if you don't know who that is, you've been under a rock. No, that's Bob Marley. Bob Marley, that's one of his famous songs. True power, our power, is in our diversity and in our difference. It is not in the elusive power we chase in money and things. It is not in what we call unity. We are already unified through breath. We want to deny our unity because we look different, act different, and we believe we want different things. The elk, oak, and pine live together to create the mighty forests. The shark, dolphin, and whales live together to create the wealth of the oceans. The blue jay, hawk, and robin sing together to create the melody of the sky. The lion, elephant, and jaguar live together in wonderment of the wild. They all want the same things: food, protection for their young, and the opportunity to move freely. The animals do not blame or judge. They live without anger or fear. Are the animals just stupid, or have we become too smart? Wow. Today, I will honor and respect the power in difference. That's a good question. What do you think about that? Have we just become too smart, or are the animals stupid? I think we probably know the answer to that. But then the animals are surrounded by the same bug that we surrounded by that can mess up their mentals too. I don't know. Anyway, I like that because I'm always saying, I just did a video recently after this whole ICE situation. And, after having conversations with people about basically their differences and how people shouldn't be allowed to move freely. Ultimately, this whole border thing. It makes no sense to me, these borders. So I'm always saying, like, at the end of the day, we're all human, right? We already know what race has been the worst and which one has been the best and who, it's all our opinions on a lot of this stuff. Some things are factual, but that's not what this is about. This is about us at the end of the day desiring the same things. We want to be able to eat. We want to be able to move freely, which is the main thing. We want health and wellness for our family and our children. We want safety and protection. We want housing. Like, we all want the same basic needs and necessities. So what are we doing? It's just time for a change. It's time for us to start really living like that. Because when shit hit the fan, just suppose something happens that humanity is under attack in a way that we can't control. What are we going to do? We're going to get together and try and figure out how to beat that outside force. So why can't we do that now with certain forces that we feel like we can't conquer, or the forces that have been controlling us as humans for a very thousands and thousands of years? Like, it's time for us to clap back. I don't know. Start the revolution. I don't know. Those are just ideas. I'm not suggesting anybody do anything unless your heart is telling you to. Even if that means go out there and protest, like start somewhere. Protesting is something people have been doing for a very long time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. How can we really tell? Anyway, I love you. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to get I'm close to 2,000 subscribers, so I could really use your help with that. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, send me a message. Any comments, concerns, just leave it down below. Check me out on Instagram, a plant-based foodie, and I'll see you tomorrow.